Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Air Max Thunder by Nike in collaboration with British footwear store Offspring in the For the Community Gym Red colorway. These were released on the 18th of October and I picked these up from the King's Cross store. This shoe comes wrapped in white paper and a Nike ring in red and silver that reads For the Community. It's engraved on the side, which is a unique touch, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. The Nike Air Max Thunder, originally released in 1999, a cross-trainer part of Nike's Alpha project, loved for its unique retro-futuristic style, usually featuring a neoprene or lycra upper and a zipper closure. Retailer Offspring celebrates their sneaker community by inviting local sneakerheads to bring a twist to the late 90s trainer. Updates include a red denim upper that reveals a camel print when wet. If you live in the UK, you know you're going to be seeing this a lot. Red reflective hits on the mudguard overlays with silver accents across the shoe. 1996 details can be seen on the tongue and insoles, and all this sits on a metal grey and red sole. One cool detail I like is the carabiner clip on the zip loop, so you can hook your ring or clip other accessories to it. On feet I recommend staying true to size. The stretchy shroud upper and central zipper has a snug fit to it. It's your full Air Max cushioning, so it's very comfortable overall. I paired these with my grey JW Anderson straight jeans and a black The North Face Tankin polo tee. As usual, purchase links are in my YouTube video description. Thanks for watching. Please drop a like and comment community to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss. Did you pick these up? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.